Wash my crown, clear my mind, clear the way. Wash my third eye, let me see, let me shine. Wash all negative thoughts and energies from my mind. Wash my throat, let me breathe deep, let me exhale, let clear communication be my path. Wash my throat, let me speak words of truth. Wash my heart, wash every little part. Let my blood flow, let oxygen permeate my body. Let my love shine, let my heart be full. Wash all sorrow from my heart. Wash my solar plexus, make it strong. Wash my belly, open my core. Let me stand tall, let me feel clear. Wash my solar plexus, it is strong. Let all stress clear my body. Wash my sacral space, Let my spine be strong and sure. Let my body process all things in a healthy way. Let my legs stride with purpose. Let me walk without fear. Wash my root, let my Kundalini be powerful. Let the wild serpent energy flow. May I stand in strength, let me be whole. All my chakras are in harmony. Fill my Kundalini with crimson light. Let it build and fill me. Let it rise. Let crimson light shine around me. Fill my sacral chakra with orange light. Let it build and fill me. Let it rise. Let orange light shine around me. Fill my solar plexus with yellow light. Let it build and fill me. Let it rise. Let golden light shine around me. Fill my heart with deep green light. Let it build and fill me. Let it rise. Let verdant light shine around me. Fill my throat with bright blue light. Let it build and fill me. Let it rise. Let azure light shine around me. Fill my third eye with indigo light. Let it build and fill me. Let it rise. Let indigo light shine around me. Fill my crown with violet light. Let it build and fill me. Let it rise. Let violet light shine around me. Surround me in a rainbow of light. I am whole. I am strong. All chakras are in harmony.